at the very beginning, you have to set up the disaster mechanism. It means set up the CloudEndure disaster recovery project. First, you have to make the project. Then you have to maintain the uh, disaster readiness during the normal operation. It means with at the production level, production mode, you have to conduct your disaster operations. Why we have to do this one? Imagine you don't know when you get any disaster. You don't know where the exact point you're gonna fail. You don't know what is which time you're going to fail. So in this situation, you have to maintain what's the best way. It means you have to keep it when you're maintaining an application or a business operation application. You have to focus on two things. One is your application. It is the executable thing. It is going to the thing that you're going to perform. It means when you click employee adding button, it is the application pop up and generate the view or a interface to add the employee. It is the real important thing. But you always forgot another thing. It is the data. It is the most important thing compared to the application. The data will change or make changes on your database. So you have to have a duplicate database for this one. It means you have to have a duplicate data for the backup purpose. If you have more duplication, then you have more reliable system. But even you are working with the space and you are working with the storage, so you have to you have to spend excess amounts of money. So it means when you're conducting the production environment, it means production environment means you are doing the business operation, day-to-day operation. While you are conducting the day-to-day operation, at the same time you have to maintain your backup or you have to maintain your uh, redundant data, redundant application. So imagine we don't know what will happen exactly when it's going wrong. When something gets wrong or a server unable to provide the required functionality, nobody knows what will happen. It means we are planning. If imagine we are having a two servers called A and B. The server A is providing the functionality, and the server B uh, we use to execute the server B when there is any failure. So imagine server, according to our plan, we are having a server A and the server B, and the server B is only going to execute when there is a failure. In this situation, imagine A suddenly, as we expect, or unexpectedly, the server A become fail, and according to what we have planned, according to the plan, what do you think? We should be start, but unfortunately we shouldn't perform. It means we doesn't work. In this situation, what will happen? It means even we are planning to recover the disaster, overcome with the disaster, we are unable to overcome with the disaster. So when we are set up in the plan, we should have to validate the plan. It means whether actually B is going to execute whenever A is fail. So it means the number three, we are discussing failover AWS in event disaster. And we are talking about the fail back to your sources and return to the normal operations. How do you overcome with the situation and how do you perform